Everyone, Dustin here again with your pro tip of the week, and that is install Google Analytics on your website. Google Analytics is awesome for trying to understand better who is coming to your website, where they're from, what they're doing, like as in where they come in at the website, where they leave, how long they stay, the number of pages they click on. Like there's a lot of insight that can be gleaned from just perusing your Google Analytics. More importantly, I feel like we all have a target audience in mind, only to find out through Google Analytics that we've been attracting someone entirely different. And understanding this and knowing that, we can alter our site content or our purpose to better serve our actual target audience. So if you don't have a Google Analytics account, go to google.com/analytics. You'll log in with your Google account, and they make it pretty easy to create a Google Analytics profile for your website. Once you have that set up, and that is a very important step, is you can install a plugin on your WordPress site called Monster Insights. It's probably one of the most popular Google Analytics plugins out there, and they make it even easier to integrate Google Analytics with your website by simply logging into your Google Analytics account and selecting your website profile that you created. And then that's it. There's probably a few other settings you can set depending on the kind of content you're tracking of people who visit your site. But other than that, it's so easy. You really don't have to mess with any code. You don't have to worry about putting it in the header, all this mumbo jumbo. So that's my tip for you. If you don't have Google Analytics already set up for your website, go and set it up. You will not regret it, especially in the long run.